Onishi and Baillargeon's violation of expectancy research indicates that infants as young as 15 months understand the concept of false beliefs. This dramatic discovery flies in the face of over 2 decades worth of research that supports the notion that false beliefs are acquired at the same time as language at 4 years of age. However, Perner and Ruffman came up with an alternative explanation for the results found by Onishi and Baillargeon. They believed that longer looking times were due to a 3-way actor-object location association established through neural firing in the familiarization trials of their experiment. The goal of the current study is to test false beliefs through a violation of expectancies task that did not allow for an association bias. We hypothesized that if infants understand that the actor is searching for the toy on the basis of their beliefs, they will have significantly longer looking times when the actor violates this rule. Specifically, we expect that in the true belief green condition, infants will look significantly longer at an actor who looks in the orange box and vice versa for the true belief orange condition. For the green false belief condition, we expect infants will look longer when the actor looks in the orange box and vice versa for the orange false belief condition. Critics of the violation of expectancy paradigm believe that looking times only reflect a limited implicit awareness of the events and not a conscious understanding. However, due to the fact that 15-month-olds are not competent in language or complex motor skills, we believe looking times was the most reliable measure. The current study began with a familiarization trial. In the pre-trial, infants saw a small squeeze ball being played with by an actor who was wearing a neutral beige shirt and a white visor. The actor placed the squeeze ball in the purple box. The actor then paused with her hand in the box and a curtain was lowered to indicate the end of the pre-trial. The curtain rose and the actor reached into the purple box, as if to retrieve the squeeze ball, and held it until the end of the trial. The next part of the experiment was the 4 test trials. In the true belief green condition, the actor saw the ball move from the orange box to the green box. The screen came up between the actor and the boxes for 10 seconds and then came back down. The actor then looked in either the green box, expected response, or the orange box, violated response. In the true belief orange condition, the actor saw the ball move from the green box to the orange box. The screen then came up and then went back down 10 seconds later, and the actor looked in either the orange box, expected response, or the green box, violated response. The false belief green condition started the same as the true belief green condition. However, when the screen came up, the ball moved back from the green box to the orange box. When the screen came back down, the actor looked in either the green box, expected response, or in the orange box, violated response. The false belief orange condition started the same as the true belief orange condition. However, when the screen came up, the ball moved back from the orange box to the green box. When the screen came back down, the actor looked in either the orange box, expected response, or in the green box, violated response. The current study proposes to use a sample of 60 healthy participants in the age range of 14 to 16 months. Participants were equally divided into 2 groups, A and B. Both groups experienced the same familiarization trials. Group A then experienced the following conditions: the true belief green condition with the violation response by the actor, the true belief orange condition with the expected response, the false belief green condition with the violated response, and the false belief orange condition with the expected response. Group B experienced the 4 conditions that were left. A mixed factorial analysis of variance was used to compare mean looking times for the 8 different versions of the task. The contrast of colours between the familiarization trial and the test trials were done to prevent an association bias forming based on a specific colour. Furthermore, the reason why 3 boxes were used in the familiarization trial was so that if an association formed with the box placement on the table, it could not be maintained in the test condition because there was no middle box. The toy used was made up of 3 colours, purple, pink and blue. This was done to make sure that the colours of the toy did not match the colours of the box in the test conditions, so infants did not have a bias towards a certain box. We do not believe that changing the number of boxes or colour would have confused the infants, as we kept the screen, table and actor consistent across the familiarization trials and the test trials. The results suggest that 15-month-olds understand false beliefs, i.e. they understand that beliefs are subjective and can be manipulated. This has implications for future research. Future studies could be conducted concerning how much cognitive flexibilities infants have over false beliefs, and could also investigate why there seems to be a gap at around the age of 3 where children cannot successfully complete false belief tasks.